Okay, so you're going to start with your hair parted down the middle, and you're going to go ahead and just take a ponytail and put up the side that you're not working with so that it doesn't get in your way. And then you're going to brush back the hair on the side that you are working on so it's nice and smooth back. And then you're going to start a French braid from the hairline and going straight back towards the crown of your head. This braid will be an inverted braid or a Dutch braid. So if you don't know how to do that, in the description box of this video I link another video that I have that I teach you how to do an inverted braid. So if that's something that you need to learn, then go ahead and click on that video and figure that out. Making sure that when you do this braid, you only pull from right at the part and then at the hairline. Don't pull past the part, otherwise it won't look center. And then when you're done with the braid, you're going to finish right at the crown of your head, and then you're going to pin that up with a rubber band that is the color of your hair. And then now all you're going to do is you're going to take the rest of your hair and put that up into a ponytail, making sure that the ponytail is up right at the base of our crown, right where we were stopping our braids from earlier. Then you're going to put the two braids that we braided earlier into the ponytail and pin that up with a hair tie so it's nice and secure. Go ahead and give the ponytail a tug and pin up any flyaways that you have so that we have a nice clean look. And that's it. That is the hair. So make sure that if you have any questions or comments, you leave it in the comment section so that everyone can see my answer.